A police officer saying the Senzo Meyiwa trial has detailed his actions on arrival at the crime scene. Meyiwa was shot and killed in Vosloorus on the 26th of October in 2014. He was at his then-girlfriend Kelly Khumalo's home at the time of the shooting. Sergeant Thabo Mosia, who was one of the first police officers to arrive at the scene. Our reporter Tshegohaco Moagi has the details.
Proceedings in the Senzo Meyiwa trial started on Monday, with Kelly Khumalo's lawyer Magdalene Munsami being instructed to excuse herself from the court.
The only concern we have now is that if witnesses testify before the client of the watching brief come on, and it's on matters that the client of the watching brief might be expected to express upon, then that system will not have been pure.
When that was settled, Sergeant Thabo Mosia then took the stand at the Gauteng High Court as the first state witness in the trial. 5 men are accused of killing the Bafana Bafana and Orlando Pirates captain back in 2014. Mosia testified on a photo album he compiled containing pictures taken at the crime scene. He detailed what he found when he arrived at the scene on the 27th of October 2014, just after midnight.
On my arrival, the crime scene was cordoned off with a crime scene tape. He explained to me the scene of incident. Then we conducted a walkthrough into the crime scene. I then protected and secured some visible evidence found on the kitchen floor, which was a bullet jacket, a black white Scotch hat, and a walking stick.
He said he and the provincial task team had a briefing a few hours later, and they then went back to the crime scene.
As we were investigating, then we followed the movement of the bullet, which was the bullet hole which was at the back of the door, kitchen door. We traced the movement of the bullet and managed to find the bullet on the kitchen top of the kitchen unit, behind the glass jars.
Mosia also detailed the swabs that were collected on the scene, including swabs from doors on alcohol cans and presumed blood swabs on the TV stand. Before court adjourned, the matter of accused number 3 allegedly being assaulted by Thabo prison warders was addressed. Advocate Defo Malesela says he doesn't understand why his client is being kept in a maximum security facility.
He does not have a record insofar as the disciplinary is concerned at the prison. His record is clear, is clean. Where he was put, my lord, is in a maximum, where the hardcore inmate belong.
Charles Matebula from Thabo prison explained.
Johannesburg prison, it's a medium prison. And then where it is now, it's a maximum prison. And then the sentence that he was given classifies him or makes him to be a maximum. So that's why he's kept in a maximum prison. That's the only reason that he's in a maximum prison.
So it's not unique to him. If a person is under the circumstances you have explained, that is how that person is kept in prison.
It's not unique to him, my lord.
Yeah.
The trial continues on Tuesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Tshegohaco Moagi in Pretoria.